of the Black Daggers are coming down, exiting from the C-45. At this time, we'd ask you to stand and join us for our national anthem being sung today by Master Sergeant Sarita Hardy from the 9th Airlift Squadron.
Jag tycker att det är enjoyable. Oh ja, det är really fun. So they scared ya. Especially if you guys want to do
see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleam, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fights o'er the ramparts we watched for so gallantly straight, and the rockets break the line of bursting wild gate through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say the star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're officially underway. At this time, I'd ask you to please turn your attention to the area in front of the C-5 Galaxy. We're honored to have Gold Star families with us this morning. Gold Star families are family members of service members who died while on active duty, regardless of service affiliation or manner of death. September 29th, 2019 is Gold Star Mothers and Family Day. However, we want to take this opportunity to thank all our Gold Star families for their sacrifices that their loved ones have made.